2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, 4-piece floor mat set, leather shift knob. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.